Magandang buhay mga ka-devotion. I just wanna thank God sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa niya sa buhay ko noong 2025. And for our today's reading, we will read Psalm 19. So, pakinggan na lang po natin and let's meditate this word. Sabi po dito sa may Psalm 19, beginning from verse 1 hanggang verse 14. So, medyo mahaba po ito. Please bear with me. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day, pour forth speech. Night after night, they reveal knowledge. They have no speech. They use no words. No sound is heard from them. Yet, their voice goes out into all the earth. Their words to the ends of the world. In the heavens, God has speech, a tent for the sun. It is like a bridegroom coming out of his chamber, like a champion rejoicing to run his course. It rises at one end of the heavens and makes its circuits to the other. Nothing is deprived of its warmth. The law of the Lord is perfect, refreshing the soul. The statutes of the Lord are trustworthy, making the wise the simple. The precepts of the Lord are right, giving joy to the heart. The commands of the Lord are radiant, giving light to the eyes. The fear of the Lord is pure, enduring forever. The decrees of the Lord are firm, and all of them are righteous. They are more precious than gold, than much pure gold. They are sweeter than the honey from the honeycomb. By them your servant is warned. In keeping them there is great reward. But who can discern their own errors? Forgive my hidden faults. Keep your servants also from willful sins. May they not rule over me, that I will be blameless, innocent of great transgression. May this word of my mouth and this meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, Lord, my rock and my redeemer. Grabe, no? Thank you, Lord, for the word. Bless your word, Panginoon. Salamat, O Diyos, sa kabutihan mo. Alam niyo po, mga ka-devotion, ang daming verses na maaari nating i-meditate on this. At napakaganda. Alam niyo doon sa may cover photo ng ka-devotion, ito yung verses ko. Yung the law of the Lord is perfect. Sa verse 7, refreshing the soul. The statutes of the Lord are trustworthy, making wise the simple. Grabe, di ba? Napakaganda po nun. Pero alam niyo kung ano yung nag-strike sa akin today? Dito po yun sa may verse 12 to 13. Who can discern their own errors? Di ba? Sabi niya pa dito, forgive my hidden faults. Keep your servant also from willful sins. May they not rule over me. Then I will be blameless, innocent of great transgression. Grabe, ito yung pinakagusto kong verse na inawit ni King David. Grabe, no? This is a psalm from the director of music. A psalm of David. So that's it for today. Magandang buhay, mga ka-devotion.